we are listening to some crazy dancehall reggae shit, which I guess if you're into that or live in Jamaica, you might like. Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Noah. Today I'm driving a 1972 Chevy C10. Everybody's favorite truck. My favorite truck. You should follow suit. This is a really great truck. It's been completely restored. As with a lot of the stuff we sell, this is a complete frame-off restoration. Body's been off the frame, bend's been off the frame is stripped down to bare metal. All the suspension and brake stuff has been rebuilt. Really nice paint and body work on this one. Body was stripped down to bare metal. Completely done from front to rear. Nicely detailed undercarriage. It's got a really nicely detailed engine compartment. And the interior is gorgeous as well. Lots of that nice red paint in here. And it's not just kind of sprayed in here right off the gun. It's all been sanded and buffed like the rest of the truck. So it looks really nice. All the seals on the truck are new. All the body bushings, all that stuff's been replaced. So it's got really nice fit, no crazy wind noises, certainly nothing beyond what they had from the factory. No strange rattles, nothing like that. Just a really nice driving truck. This one's dropped on a 4.6 drop. It's got spindles and springs up front and springs in the back to get that height, and it rides on Billet Specialties wheels. The back's been cleaned up nicely with the removal of the rear bumper. And the front's got a custom grille insert. If you want to go back the other way, it's about 70 or 80 bucks. You can put the stock one back in. I kind of think this one looks quite nice with the way the rest of the truck is done. The interior has been completely redone. We've got new seats, new door panels, new carpeting, a new dash. Really nice, clean set of Classic Instruments gauges. A nicely updated Pioneer head unit. And to keep you cool all summer long, this is a restored factory system with the correct factory dash mounted vents. All that stuff's been redone. It's nice and cold. It has the heart and soul of this truck, which is a Chevrolet Performance ZZ6. Now the ZZ6 is a 350 cubic inch engine. It makes 405 horsepower, not too shabby. 406 foot-pounds of torque. It uses the fast burn Chevrolet Performance heads, and the thing really rips nicely. You know, these are engines that are set up to be fun street engines, so they make peak torque rather quickly and really rip. For the money, I don't think you could get much better of an engine for a truck like this. 405 horsepower is healthy, and you know, unlike some other engines you'll find out there that are bored way over and original blocks that have been rebuilt, this is a brand new block. It is from Chevrolet Performance, and it has, let's see, just about 3,700 miles on it. It was installed when this truck was built, so very, very low miles. This truck has power steering and power front disc brakes. It's really, really easy to drive. It's been aligned well, nice, smooth, buttery power steering, no weird noises. The power brakes are nice. This engine has enough vacuum to properly feed that booster, so there's no dead spots in the power brakes where they just kind of fall flat. You'll find that a lot of times. Sometimes the cam just doesn't want to work with that booster. I'm gonna hop on the highway real quick, let you know how she does. She wants to run, folks, but we've got traffic in front of us, so we're going to behave ourselves. The ZZ6 has 9.7 to 1 compression, so it does like premium fuel, but in return you'll get snappy acceleration and a really powerful little engine. So I am going 70 miles an hour, and we are at about 2,700 RPMs. Just cruising. It's very, very smooth on the highway. Doesn't pull, doesn't bump steer, no weird suspension characteristics. Again, the brakes feel very strong. This is I would call it a confidence-inspiring truck. You can kind of hop in it and go anywhere. Hopping off the highway, let's slam on the brakes. They work great. As with everything, we go through and check everything from a safety standpoint. So this one's got all new fluids, fresh and ready to rip. So if you're looking for a nice truck to enjoy in the upcoming season, give me a call. Check this one out. I think you'll like it. Rather nice to drive. Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.